Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Neuman Wave Therapy Pro. The Neuman Wave Therapy Pro is a handheld, low-frequency therapy device that promises to enhance blood circulation, support nerve recovery, and reduce muscle pain. It's targeted toward athletes, office workers, and anyone with chronic stiffness. I used it for 3 weeks, mostly after workouts and long editing sessions. The pulsing waves create a deep massage-like sensation that genuinely relaxes tight muscles. My recovery felt faster, and even my lower back tension eased up noticeably. It's easy to operate and has multiple modes for different muscle groups. Reddit users and TikTok users who have tried similar wave therapy devices also note improved recovery and circulation with regular use. Here's some flaws that I found. I would say that it is quite loud, a bit bulky, and battery life doesn't last long. The price is also steep, especially when massage guns can deliver similar results for less. Now here's my final verdict. If you're into serious fitness recovery, it's effective. But for casual users, it's too expensive for what it offers. I would say that it is a great tool, but not essential unless you're consistent with muscle therapy. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.